Hello students, I'm going to discuss the quick solutions of All India AIATS Test Series Miracle 2020 of test number 3, code C and D. And I'll be dealing with the botany section. Your test will be held on 2nd of December 2018. Let's start with the botany section. Question number 91. Select the correct match. First option, Sesbania fabaceae. Second, Belladonna liliaceae. Third, Aloe solanaceae. Fourth, Asparagus brassicaceae. You have to find out the correctly matched member of the family. Here you can see families are given, and on the left hand side the members of these families are given. You have to choose the option in which the member of the family is correctly matched. So first is Sesbania fabaceae. It is very correctly written over here that Sesbania belongs to fabaceae. Belladonna liliaceae, no, this option is ruled out because Belladonna belongs to Solanaceae. Third one is Aloe and Asparagus, both belong to family Liliaceae. So these two options are ruled out. So the correct answer for the given question is option number 1. Let's move to the next question. Question number 92. The epipetalous condition or C to A joint condition is found in the floral formula of family. First option Liliaceae, second Poaceae, third Fabaceae and fourth Solanaceae. You have to find out that this condition called the epipetalous condition is found in which floral formula. So here you can see these are the 4 families which are given in your options, and these are their respective floral formulas. So first is Liliaceae. Liliaceae has this floral formula where corolla is absent. It has perianth. When corolla and calyx are not clearly distinct, not clearly seen, they are called as perianth. So here corolla is absent. This option is ruled out. It cannot be family Liliaceae. Second is Poaceae. In case of Poaceae, again you can find out there is perianth 2 to 3 in the form of lodicules, and corolla is not found. This option is also ruled out. Third is Fabaceae. In case of Fabaceae, you can see corolla is there, androecium is there, but they do not show epipetalous condition. So this option is ruled out. The last is Solanaceae. In case of Solanaceae, you can find out that corolla is attached to androecium, or androecium is attached to the corolla, making the epipetalous condition. So this is the characteristic feature of the family Solanaceae. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 93. Lateral meristem may be first option primary in origin, second secondary in origin, third intercalary in position, fourth both 1 and 2. Before dealing with this question, you should know about the lateral meristem. What is lateral meristem? Lateral meristem is present along the lateral sides of a plant. It is not seen in all the plants, but is seen in the plants which show secondary growth. It is present in the roots and shoots of those plants which show secondary growth. So lateral meristem is responsible for the secondary growth. The examples of lateral meristems are fascicular, vascular cambium, interfascicular cambium and cork cambium. These two are secondary in origin. They develop in later stages of life in plants, and it is primary in origin. So lateral meristem can be primary in origin, yes. It can be secondary in origin, yes. It can be intercalary in position, no. Lateral meristem cannot be intercalary in position. As I just said, that lateral meristem is present along the lateral sides of the plant, not the intercalary, not between the mature tissues, only on the lateral sides. So both 1 and 2 are correct. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 94. Which of the following characters are related to isobilateral leaf? First character, A. Stomata are present on both surfaces. B. Mesophyll is differentiated into palisade and spongy parenchyma. C. Substomatal cavity is present below the stoma of the abaxial epidermis. You may be knowing about the isobilateral leaf. What is isobilateral leaf? Isobilateral leaf is a leaf which is similar on both the sides, hence called the isobilateral leaf. Isobilateral leaves are present in the monocots and they have stomata on both the surfaces. Here you can see this is the stoma showing on the abaxial surface. The lower epidermis is called the abaxial epidermis and the upper epidermis is called the adaxial epidermis. On adaxial epidermis also you can see here there are stomata. So the stomata are present on both the surfaces. It is true. This is the mesophyll tissue and you can see here it is not differentiated into palisade and the spongy parenchyma. It is the same all over. So this is mesophyll tissue which is not differentiated into palisade and spongy parenchyma. So this statement is incorrect. C. Substomatal cavity is present below the stoma of the abaxial surface. This is the abaxial surface. This cavity is called the substomatal cavity and it is present below the stoma of the abaxial surface. So this makes the statement true. So statement A and C are correct. By analyzing the option you can say option 3 is the correct option. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 95. Match the following columns and select the correct option. In column A and column B, you have given some items. You have to match the items present in the column A with the column B. A. Cymose inflorescence radial symmetry. B. Racemose inflorescence basipetal succession of flowers. C. Actinomorphic flower symmetry by one plane only. D. Zygomorphic flower acropetal succession of flowers. So see the options here. What is cymose inflorescence? In case of cymose inflorescence, the arrangement of flowers is present in the basipetal succession, which means the youngest flowers are present at the base. So this is the basipetal succession. So A goes with 2. This can be an option. This can be an option. These two options are ruled out. Now B, racemose inflorescence. It is exactly the opposite one. In case of racemose inflorescence, youngest flowers are present at the top. So this is called the acropetal succession of flowers. So B goes with 4. This option is also ruled out as B goes with 4 in second option. C is actinomorphic flower. Actinomorphic flowers show radial symmetry in which a flower can be divided into two equal halves in any radial plane. So C goes with first, yes, and D zygomorphic flower. In case of zygomorphic flower, a flower can be divided into two equal halves by one plane only. So it is a symmetry by one plane. So zygomorphic flower with the third. So D with the third. So by analyzing the options, you can say that the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question.